So that's where the toilet paper went. Huh. You got it. What did that toilet paper do to you? Oh, it took your cat treats? Oh. Well, I guess it deserves all that then. What do you think about all that? I think it's dead. You want to hand it over now? Can I have it? Can I have that? Ooh, rabbit punch, rabbit punch. You crazy cat. It's funny to see this little bitty cat trot into the house with a brand new roll of toilet paper in his mouth. You don't even think he could fit that thing in his mouth, but he carries it. I don't know why he likes it so much. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Just kicking them feet. Crazy ass cat.